are our bones actually made from? Well, did you know that 70% of your bones are made from non-living tissue, minerals like calcium? Our bones have 3 distinct layers to them. The cortical bone is the outermost bone. It's hard, smooth, and solid. It protects the inner parts of the bone. The next innermost layer is the cancellous bone. Cancellous bone is porous and spongy. It's a lighter bone, and it allows blood vessels to move through it so that our bone bends slightly. And the innermost layer of our bones is called bone marrow. When children are born, they only have one type of bone marrow, red marrow. This is where your white and your red blood cells are made. But as we grow to adults, we end up with about 50% of red marrow, and we have about 50% of yellow marrow. Yellow marrow contains fat cells. Our bones contain non-living tissue and living tissue and has 3 different layers.